makatambirwa zvikanzi chiendererai mberi muchigadzira mutemo wedu weTraditional Leaders Act ufambidzane maringe nezvakataurwa mubumbiro redu remutemo constitution. Muna 2021 kwakazoburitswa imwe draft document mushure mekunge tapiwa tendero yekutarisa mutemo wedu weTraditional Leaders Act. Zvinova zvinotisvitsa muzuva ranhasi. Tave nemadrafts edu maviri, ra2014 nera2021. Chinangwa chemusangano wekuti tichitarisa. Madocuments edu aya maviri ose ane donzvo rekuti mutemo weTraditional Leaders Act ufambidzane maringe nezvirikutaurwa mubumbiro redu remutemo. Tichange tichitarisa madocuments aya ari maviri, tichiona kuti zvakataurwa mu2014 nezvakataurwa mu2021 tiburitse chinangwa chedu chimwe chete, tibude nedocument redu rimwe chete richange riri amendment to the Traditional Leaders Act, tichitungamirirwa nevakuru vedu, tichibatsirwa namadzimambo anova ndiwo anenge achishandisa kunyanya mutemo wedu weTraditional Leaders Act, kuti zviri kutaurwa mumutemo watichange tichishandisa zviri kubuda maringe nechinangwa chatiri kuda here, tichifambidzana nebumbiro redu remutemo. Ndinotenda.
Master State Council, Maoko Zakari. Thank you very much. Regaiti Penguwa kuna President ready for National Justice Council. Presidency.
I'm the only one who will be talking in English. Don't ask me why. May I start by apologizing on behalf of chiefs who are not here. There's Chief Stause who will be joining us later on. And Chief Marzio is out on parliamentary business. Those are the official apologies that I got last night. Minister of Local Government and Public Works, Honorable D. Kare, the Deputy President of the National Chief, the Attorney General's Office here present, other senior government officials here present, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor and privilege to address you this morning as we gather for the important Traditional Leaders Bill Roadshow. Allow me to begin by expressing my sincere appreciation to the government for convening this roadshow. Our presence here underscores our collective commitment to strengthening the legislative framework that governs the institution of traditional leadership in Zimbabwe. Today's roadshow represents a significant step in our ongoing journey to modernize our legal instruments while safeguarding the values and customs that define our identity. As custodians of our culture, our heritage, and our communities, it is essential that laws governing our work are clear, relevant, and aligned with the aspirations of our people. This gathering offers a platform to reflect deeply in our roles, responsibilities, expectations, and ensure that the bill responds to both the constitutional mandates and the realities experienced daily by traditional leaders throughout the country. Traditional leaders remain a cornerstone of community governance in Zimbabwe. As chiefs, we safeguard culture and tradition, we mediate disputes, we maintain harmony within our communities, and we support government programs and national objectives at the grassroots levels. Our communities look to us for guidance, stability, and unity. It is therefore paramount that the legislation governing traditional leaders adequately empowers us to perform these duties effectively and efficiently. The alignment of the Traditional Leaders Bill must also speak to the broader national context. Zimbabwe is pursuing a transformative development anchored on community empowerment and devolution. As traditional leaders, we play an indispensable role in these processes. Whether it is in local development planning, conservation initiatives, disaster responses, or community mobilization, the institution of traditional leaders is consistent and reliable pillar.